Through the standard reports, custom-built analysis, and key performance indicators, iReliability gives you the information you need to facilitate the execution of a successful reliability initiative. When your resources execute work and enter results into your database, the workflow is the same, regardless of the technology, application, or end user. The results are manageable because the formatting, work process, and nomenclature are standardized. The integration is a breeze because iReliability handles it for you. Log into your dashboard and iReliability presents your organization's metrics in a clear and meaningful way, allowing you to measure your organization's progress at a glance. Use powerful tracking tools to generate a bird's eye view of your reliability initiatives. Then with a click, drill down into your data to identify the basis for these results. With any web-enabled device, oversee your reliability initiative with access to the source data from anywhere, at any time. When you have a reliability program that consists of multiple inspection strategies carried out by multiple employees, managing day-to-day activities can be a chore. How do you see and manage the schedule? How do you see that work is in process, ready to be started, or scheduled in the future? iReliability has a user interface that allows you and your employees to see all of this information at a glance. From the Work Execution page, a user can see all regularly scheduled work that is in process, ready to start, or slated to start in the future. Users can see any quality check or follow-up inspection work that has been scheduled as well. Users can look at the schedule in a calendar view to easily identify their schedule availability. Additionally, users with manager roles have the option of seeing all employees' activities on the schedule or calendar view from one screen using the simple user interface provided in iReliability. Once assignments for jobs have been scheduled and are ready to start, users can open and complete any assignment for which they have been granted permission to access. A single data entry process provides standardized reporting and ensures consistent, repeatable results. As assignments are completed, a listing of completed assignments and the links to the associated assignment reports are provided in a historical archive. Users can view reporting as it is completed in live time. Informed decisions can be made based on information that is up to date and delivered in a timely manner. The iReliability database hierarchy is ISO 14224 compliant. With a comprehensive equipment type and parts list, the unlimited levels of database hierarchy ensure that the client facility business structure can be accurately represented. You can build what you need regardless of your industry or business. Hierarchy locations in iReliability are easily managed with the ability to edit existing location names and associated information, such as criticality rankings, machine types, or equipment types. As your facility and reliability program grow, new hierarchy locations can be created as well with a simple user interface provided in iReliability. iReliability realizes that the management of a database hierarchy is a very dynamic thing. Hierarchy changes all of the time. As an example, in many business situations, equipment is transferred from one area of a facility to another, or processes and systems change. In iReliability, your database hierarchy can be managed and restructured by simply dragging and dropping hierarchy locations from one area of the database to another. All associated information and location history is maintained and will follow the move. In short, you are not limited to a static hierarchy. You have all of the tools necessary to manage your data. Often there is a need to gather process, performance, inspection, or test data on equipment. Usually, this data is gathered with a pencil and clipboard and maintained either on paper or in an Excel spreadsheet. Data is lost in the shuffle, the data has no integrity, and finding the data from a month or a year ago is next to impossible. The iReliability Mobile Route Execution module allows for the creation of quantitative and qualitative data points for any location in your database. These points may be grouped into routes, scheduled as jobs, and accessed for completion using a mobile device with a web browser. Once a mobile route is completed, data is reviewed and locations are assessed as to their current asset health state. The mobile route reports and data are integrated with other condition monitoring strategies and technologies that are deployed in the database. The result is a comprehensive view of equipment health in your facility. Work is executed, and the results are maintained in a single database. Depending on your role or area of responsibility in your business, you will most likely have the need to view reports and metrics based on a specialized set of hierarchy locations in your database. These locations may be groups of equipment that make up a cost center, system, or area in the facility that is not explicitly represented in the database hierarchy itself. As an example, there may be a group of locations within the database hierarchy structure that make up a department. However, this department may not be represented in the hierarchy itself. In order to allow a user who needs to have this department rolled up in reports and metrics, a department alias would have to be assigned to these locations. Regardless of the circumstances, iReliability provides functionality that will allow you to make the necessary associations by assigning an alias to a location or group of locations in the database hierarchy. Once the department alias is assigned, reports and metrics can be generated against the department alias. iReliability has an entire suite of standard reports available to the user. Each report arms the user with the information necessary to facilitate the execution of a successful reliability initiative. An asset health report is the cornerstone measurement of the reliability initiative. What % of the assets are healthy or code green? An asset health report integrates the reporting results of all technologies deployed in the reliability program. Utilizing the Asset Health Report, the user can instantly see where he or she stands from a healthy versus unhealthy standpoint. From here, the user can drive the necessary workflow to achieve the desired results. Planning and scheduling repair work can be challenging when you have multiple fault identification strategies in place. Inspection results are being delivered at different frequencies, and this information can be very difficult to correlate. Being able to integrate and view this information is a crucial step in deciding how to attack and correct the problem. In the Integrated Fault Entry Report, iReliability gives our users the ability to integrate and view all fault entry information for all database locations in a single report. The Integrated Fault Entry Report allows a user to see analysis comments and repair recommendations, as well as any illustrations that have been provided to fully communicate the identified defect. When a repair has been completed, status comments can be entered against the location in the Integrated Fault Entry Report. With a status of repair complete, a follow-up inspection can be scheduled from the Integrated Fault Entry Report to validate the repair. As a result, a database location in a red or unhealthy status on your Asset Health Report can be updated to a status of green or healthy. What makes a reliability initiative successful? More importantly, what information should you track to measure or gauge that success? Knowing where you have been, where you are, and where you are going is not as difficult as it may sound. iReliability has developed a monthly scorecard that is built around a specific set of metrics that will assist in determining the progression of your reliability program. The key components of the monthly scorecard are centered around the health of your facility, identified faults, and the mitigation of those faults, and the efficiency of your inspection methods coverage, route adherence. You will be able to track and trend asset health to see how the health of your facility has been improving or declining over time. You will be able to track and trend how many new faults your inspection strategies have identified, as well as how many existing faults they have re-identified. The monthly scorecard will allow you to trend results and view historical data over any date range of your choosing, and you will be able to compare trend results across multiple departments in your database as well. The end result is a tool that provides the necessary data to help you drive continuous improvement and define the goals that determine success in your organization. When you have multiple inspection strategies in place and the results of those inspection strategies are coming from multiple sources, your ability to maintain some form of standardization in terms of reporting becomes difficult to manage. Report formatting, nomenclature, and what information is or is not included on an inspection report are all issues that can add to confusion, inefficiencies, and loss of critical data. iReliability utilizes a single job creation and reporting interface that is used regardless of what inspection strategy is deployed. With the iReliability Condition Assessment Assignment Report, the result is standardized reporting that ensures you get the same results and set of information each and every time you view a report. iReliability has a comprehensive slate of reports that assist the user in gathering information that will ultimately drive a successful reliability program. However, there may be times when a user wants a specialized set of data that is not available in a standard report, or a user may want to compare information from multiple databases. It would be virtually impossible to anticipate and build an out-of-the-box set of reports that would meet all of our users' needs. To address this issue, iReliability has an added feature that allows users to create custom data mining reports by specifying which sets of data they wish to query in the database. If your organization has multiple facilities or business units, you will be able to create data mining reports at the single plant level, across a business unit, or across the entire organization. Data mining allows you to harness the power of your data in a simple user interface.